Hey hello guys, welcome back to MrGowtham channel. Today we have some shocking news that has sent shockwaves through the world of football. For the first time in 21 years, Europe will be without both Messi and Ronaldo. That's right, the two legends have been dominated the sport for over 2 decades will no longer grace the European football stage. In this video, we will dwell into the reasons behind the departure and the impact it will be of the future of the European football. But before we begin, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on all the things football. Alright, let's get started. Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, two names that have become synonyms with greatness. They have shattered records, won countless titles and mesmerized the fans with their extraordinary skills, but now there in a Europe comes to an end. Messi, the master of Argentina, spent his entire professional career at Barcelona, amazing and astonishing number of trophies and individual accolades. However, due to the financial constraints and contractual issues, the unthinkable happened. Messi bid farewell to the Barcelona and embarked on a new chapter in his career, joining Paris Saint-Germain. On the other hand, Ronaldo, the Portuguese powerhouse, had a storied career with the Manchester United, Real Madrid and Juventus. Despite his remarkable contributions to these clubs, we made a surprising decision to return to his first love, Sporting Lisbon, where it all began from him. This seismic shift has left fans around the globe in disbelief. The European football landscape will undoubtedly feel the absence of these iconic figures who have inspired generations of players and fans alike. So, what does it mean for the future of European football? Well, it's opened up a world of possibilities. With the Messi and Ronaldo no longer dominating the spotlight, a new generation of talent will have opportunity to shine. Young stars like Kylian Mbappe, Erling Haaland and Joe Felix are ready to take center stage and carve their own path to greatness. This changing of the God presence on an exciting prospects of fans, it's a chance to witness a fresh rivalries, unexpected twist and emergence of a new footballing legends. The European football landscape will evolve and we cannot wait to see what the future holds. Before we conclude, we want to hear from you, our passionate viewers. How do you feel about Messi and Ronaldo departure from Europe? Are you excited about this rise of a new talents? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. That's all of your today's video folks. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up and then share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating football updates. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting news from the world of football.